G'day, my name is Brian Johnson, and I want to talk about the power of using the opening price, yesterday's close. And if you can notice, and we'll just click on the chart, we are higher on this chart, higher than the opening price for the day. So the trend was up. Once you're higher than your current price is higher than the opening price, the trend was up for the day. So having said that, we looked at trades that, for instance, a Great British Pound, US dollar, and we'll look at some of the things. The account history today is nearly 6,000 for the month. I haven't been trading much, but you can look at the effect of a positive amount of money in the drawdown. So if we took this trade off, this one here, and we'll just do it for you as a quick thing, close the drawdown, you watch the drawdown will go down the amount that much is. So we have to wait because of the trade difference, but you see how that drawdown came down with that. So always we want to keep a positive drawdown if we can in the trade. We now have in our trade over 6,000 from the opening balance at the beginning of the month of 5,000. We're sorry, at 10,000. We're now at 16,000, and we have a positive amount of drawdown. Now, always this is an ideal situation, and to control your drawdown. So let's look at, once again, we are using the power of the 3MW, crossing over the close price in this case, and putting in orders on the trades. We're looking at always the volume is higher, and on a buy we're looking at the US dollar, and if you can see this currency meter over here on the right hand side, the US dollar is at 1.4 and the Great British Pound is at 5.2. So it was an excellent little buy, and notice the strength of these currencies against the US dollar. So we have positive currencies. We're using the upswing R always on this, and of course our indicators give us some area. Once again, we're assuming that always you are looking at putting buys on if it is going above the opening price of the day, etc. So just another reminder that it is not hard to make profits, and if we took this profit off now, we would go into a drawdown. So let's just take it off so you can look at it, close order, and you'll see that the drawdown is no longer positive. And we have to wait, and you can see we're in a minus drawdown, and always you can control your drawdown. So for the day, we made a little error here, but for the day we've made 280, etc., etc. So it's $400 or $500 for a nice little trade. Nothing special, but I want to reiterate the power of the opening price. If your price is above it, you buy. If it's below it, you sell. Pretty simple stuff, isn't it? Look, here's the close price of yesterday. Look, it was a downtrend. If you'd shorted this, you would have been in a nice position. The Canadian dollar, and if we look over here, is it's in this currency meter is 6.9, and the US dollar is at 2, so it's obviously a good short. And you can see the sell volume is there are more sellers than buyers. Pretty simple stuff, really. And of course, we always confirm our trend using the basket online. You can notice on the basket, we'll put a candle on for you. You can see that it's going up. The definite trend is up on that basket. So the H4 basket on H1 is up, and straight away we always can see the volume is higher on the baskets of the 14 currencies. Pretty easy trading using simply using the closing price of the yesterday, or the opening price, or the closing price. If it goes above it, you're in a definite buy. And you always look at the buy volume, the sell volume, and of course, always if you're in the three time frames on the signal, lead light signal at the top right hand corner, in the first three, it's a very strong buying position, as we have seen in the thing. We're going back into positive currency, and we're waiting for it to climb up and take some more money off the table. As you can see, the drawdown is positive, and the account history is showing those few trades. Bye for now. God bless from Brian. Remember, trading the Forex involves risk, especially now with currency. I advise you trade purely on demo until you have experience or you game to trade live. But I recommend with this currency economic situation, one should always trade at the moment demo, as the volatility is extremely high, or trade in low volatility times like I am. Bye for now from Brian. God bless you.